Okay, I'm installing these Philips. They're basically bright white backup lights for a 2018 Nissan Leaf. They're the 921 LEDs. What you need is basically a 10mm socket, two bolts that come out of here. Really easy to take off. This assembly just pops back. You're gonna pull it towards you. Be kind of gentle. It has plastic tabs, but it'll come off. See, that was the first time I ever pulled this off. I took off the other one before. And then you can access the reverse light. Make sure I'm pulling the right one. And that's it right there. So there's the old one. And here's the new one. Hopefully it'll slip right in. We'll see. Heard some people online, they modify them because something about H1 bulbs and Euro versus American standard. There we go. That's it. Put that back in. Counterclockwise seats it. Line up your little, there's two tabs, this one here and this one on the side. Just before I even install it, I would slip it on there. That's it. Now we're going to see which one's brighter. Brighter, turn off the light. Pull the cord. So any different?
Oh, it didn't come on.
It didn't come on?
No.
Okay, that's why I didn't spell it. The other one came on?
The red one did.
No, did
Oh,
the reverse
yeah.
lights.
Yep.
The other one came on. So that's why because with LEDs, they're sensitive to the... So you got to make sure they don't tell you, so you don't know until you trial it. But they, I guess they're pole sensitive. Gotta make sure they're... There we go, try that again. Here, take me. Go put it in reverse. Let's see what the difference is. Some reviews online said no real difference. Yeah, I don't really see too much of a difference, honestly. I'd say it's definitely wider. Here's the other bulb. And here's the newer bulb. It's hard to tell in the camera, but it's definitely wider light. And this is a more yellow, dingier light, just like all the halogen bulbs. Anyway, so that's it. It is crisper, a little bit brighter, but it's negligible. Maybe 10, maybe 20% brighter, but definitely not double or anything like that.